The HP Pavilion in natural silver color has a 3D metal design and weighs only 1.41 kilograms, making it suitable for people on the go. It comes pre-installed with Windows 10 Home, making it ready to use. It also has another variant, Intel Core i7 Plus 1TB SSD. Powered by the 11th generation Intel Core i5 processor, this laptop allows for seamless multitasking. With 8 MB cache, the laptop allows you to access frequently used apps faster. It comes with pre-installed Microsoft Office Home and Student 2019, making it ready for use. The laptop features a 16 GB DDR4 RAM with NVIDIA GeForce MX450 graphics that allows you to switch easily between applications. The laptop has 512 GB SSD that provides higher responsiveness and faster boot up while being enough to store all your videos, movies and photos. It has a battery life of up to 8 hours. This HP Pavilion has a 14-inch Full HD IPS anti-glare micro-edge WLED backlit display, offering an immersive viewing experience for watching movies and videos. It also features B&O audio. The laptop comes with a backlit keyboard with fingerprint reader for an easy and secure login.
Before starting your Office activation, please make sure that your copy of Windows is activated. Your activation location is in the same region where your device was purchased. The device's date and time are set automatically. Now, let's get started with your Office activation. It only takes 7 steps to activate your copy of Office. Step 1. Launch any Office app from your app list or by typing in the search bar. Step 2. To start the activation process, sign in with your Microsoft account. If you don't have a Microsoft account yet, create one and then sign in. Step 3. Click on the Activate Office option when it pops up. Step 4. When a web browser window appears, sign in with your Microsoft account and follow the next activation prompts. Step 5. Follow the instructions and complete steps 1, 2, and 3 of the activation process. Step 6. Once Office is ready, open your Office app and click on the refresh icon. Step 7. Open a new or an existing document, then click Accept on the license agreement. And now, you're ready to start using Office. Get more, do more with a complete PC.